Hi everyone and welcome back. In today's video, I will show you how to add a website shortcut directly to your iPhone home screen. Let's get started. First, open the Safari browser on your iPhone. If you can't find it, swipe down on your home screen and search for Safari. Now, visit the website you want to add. Once the page has fully loaded, tap the Share button at the bottom of the screen. Scroll down through the sharing options until you find Add to Home Screen, then tap on it. You'll now see a preview of the shortcut. You can keep the default name or change it to anything you like. If you're given the option, choose whether you want it to open as a web app or in your default browser. Finally, tap Add in the top right corner. That's it. The website shortcut will now appear on your iPhone home screen, and you can open it anytime with a single tap, just like a regular app. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.